Did you know when changing your front bearings on a BA or BF Falcon, you can just take the whole assembly off at once? Start by removing the two 15mm bolts at the back. Connect the brake hose line and get yourself a little stand to put this on. And for example, I've got the tyre here. You'll be able to rotate the whole assembly. Take it off at once. And if you're lucky, the brake pads will stay in there as well. Great, now we take this off. With a 36mm socket and a big ass breaker bar. You got to get that center nut off if it's not seized. If you're lucky, it'll come off without being seized, but if it was close, it'll start to rust. So we'll throw some anti-seize in that, and that will give the new bearing a bit of life. Clean your ABS sensor from all crappy material. Bit of anti-seize, especially in this back section. That's where it likes to seize the most. And just a little bit on the thread as well. And hopefully, if the temperatures are right and it's not, and this isn't too cold, you slide back on there perfectly. Nut has to get done up to 300 to 305 Newton meters, and then you put everything back together.